Start out by applying a concealer or an eyeshadow primer for the shadow to stick to. I'm channeling my inner cranberry jelly today. This palette isn't for sale anymore, but you just need similar shades, and you'll be fine. Starting out in the crease with a medium brown, blend it out pretty high, but keep it off the lid and brow bone. Deepen the crease with a darker, warm chocolate brown, but don't bring it up very high. Go back in with a little bit of the crease shade to soften the edges of the dark brown. On the lid, swipe on a cranberry shimmer shade. I typically use my finger for this. Metallic shades are usually pretty creamy, so they go on more pigmented this way. Deepen the outer corner with a darker chocolate shade. Highlight the brow bone with a champagne color, going back in with the crease shade to soften the edges. Now just repeat everything on the other eye. Using a sticky base to keep my makeup in place all day. Mixing shades to get the right one. Always do thin layers of cream products. I love adding e.l.f. Halo Glow into my foundation for added glow. It makes it look more skin-like and less makeup-y. Setting the under eyes so they don't crease. Contouring to add shadows back into the hollows of my face. These e.l.f. cream product wands blend out so easily and stay pigmented. This is the shade Candlelit. I should have gotten a darker shade. I love a lot of blush. This highlight just looks wet in the best way, like a healthy, shiny wet look. Press an extra powder where you crease or get oily to help prevent creasing and increase the longevity of your makeup. Set the rest of your face. After a minute or two, dust away any extra powder. Layering on bronzer, blush, and highlight. I like a lot of warmth. Frame the bottom lash line for depth. Add a highlight to brighten the inner corner. Use a setting spray to melt the powders into the skin and lock it in place all day, filling in my brows a little to help frame the face. Using a brow wax to keep them in place all day. Tight lining for added depth. Applying mascara to finish the eyes. This is the best mascara, by the way. I went with a warm brown lip gloss, but to be honest, it tastes like melted plastic. I wouldn't recommend this one. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.